Welcome to the Middle East AI News Minute for Tuesday, August 22nd, brought to you by Carrington Malin, marketing for an AI-first world. Abu Dhabi-based electric vehicle manufacturer NWTN premiered its Rabdan Muse smart car at the 70th Pebble Beach Luxury Car Show in California on Monday. The car is the company's first smart passenger vehicle using IoT connectivity, autonomous driving technologies, and artificial intelligence. Iraq's Prime Minister Shia al-Sudani has inaugurated the first phase of a new national data center facility at the General Secretariat of the Cabinet in Baghdad. The center currently supports 299 digital services offered via a unified government services portal. And Omani students will compete in a national drone competition tomorrow at Sultan Qaboos University. Organized by Oman's Ministry of Transport and Communications and Information Technology, the annual event encourages AI and robotics skills. These were today's top Middle East AI news stories, brought to you by Carrington Malin. See my weekly news digest for more stories and useful links. Thanks for listening.